Hello everyone, welcome to my very first Clean With Me video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, dining room, plus show you guys how I do my laundry. And this is not going to be like a deep cleaning. This is basically what I do kind of like on an everyday basis or when it's a little bit out of control. Alright guys, so we are going to start out with laundry and we're going to wash white clothes first. I really love this laundry bin that I have because it has three separate compartments where one I keep our colored clothes, our white clothes, and then SKYLAR's clothes. So right now I'm using the Gain, the pods. I really love these. I love this fragrance. I think it's the Hawaiian fragrance or the lavender. And then I also use Tide as well. When I'm washing my white clothes, I feel like when I add Clorox, it just makes it extra squeaky clean. So I'm going to add a little Clorox to my white clothes, and then voila, turn that washing machine on and wash them bad boys. Alright, so let's move on to my bedroom. So as you can see, I have to make the bed. It was still morning time and SKYLAR was full force. Like when I'm cleaning most of the time, she is right there with me. So I have little play sessions, kissing sessions while I'm cleaning. And sometimes I let her join in to keep her occupied. So I'm just going to make my bed. Y'all know how to do this. And then after making my bed, I'm just going to wipe down the furniture and, just dust and everything like that. So I don't wipe down my furniture every single day. I may do this at least 2 times out of the week, and then I like to wipe down the knobs and everything like that. And I also like to spray Lysol on my knobs just to disinfect and everything like that. So I'm just going to clean this mirror. I love to use old-fashioned Windex, okay, and a paper towel. So let's move on to my bathroom. It wasn't really bad. I like to use this Lysol all-purpose cleaner. I love the lemon fragrance that it has, and I really didn't have to do much cleaning. Like I didn't clean the toilets or anything today because I think I had just cleaned them. So I was just dusting and just wiping off the countertops and everything like that, and just cleaning everything off because I had previously did my makeup that morning. I'm just going into our closet, and these are the pajama pants Sean had on last night, and I know he was probably like brushing, getting ready for work this morning, and he just left them. So just folding them up, putting them in his drawer. Now I'm just folding up and hanging up some clothes that I just had laying or just like previously wore. And now I'm just going to fold up a few towels, put those in our linen closet and our bathroom, and then we're just going to move on to the kitchen. I had previously washed some dishes, so they were already dry from the night before. I'm just going to put these away, and I typically like to empty the dish rack before I go to bed at night. So now I'm just going to put the silverware up and everything like that. After putting the silverware up, I needed to clean the microwave, so I just take the microwave plate out, wash that, and then I just clean the inside of the microwave. And this is what I like to use, and it's for grease and grime, and I just feel like it makes it really clean. For for my stove top, this is what works best. I know sometimes you can get that buildup of grease and just the uckiness of just cooking, and sometimes it can be hard. I know I've seen people use a razor, but I like to just use this little scrubber, and that stuff right there works magic. And I just scrub using circular motions, and it really comes clean. And lastly, for my stove, I like to use this Easy Off um, kitchen degreaser, and that is just going to give it that shine back and just clean off anything that was left. And I also like to clean my dish rack, because when the water just sits up in there, sometimes it can, cause stains and just like, you know. So I just like to clean my dish rack, spray a little spray, clean it, and wipe off under the counter where it was sitting. And that's basically it. We're just going to come back, sweep the kitchen, and mop it. But now we're just going to move on to the dining room area. So right now, your girl had to go through some of the mail that had just accumulated right there on the table. I'm just sorting through it and just cleaning, decluttering. So when I wipe off the table, I do like to, take everything off at least once or twice a week, and just make sure I clean the entire table. And the spray that's in this container I just sprayed, the purple, is the Purple Fabuloso. If you guys were wondering, it was the awesome spray that you get from Walmart, but I just refilled it with Fabuloso. And voila, that kitchen dining room table is clean. So now I'm just going to sweep the kitchen and mop the floors. So this has to be my favorite mop, because you can take these off, put them in the washing machine and wash them. But this one right here I had for a while, and I just threw it away and I put a new one on top. So you can just wash them whenever you need to. And what I fill mine up with is the Purple Fabuloso, and I do water as well. So that's what works best for me. I love this scent. So yeah, and I also love like lemon fragrances as well. When I'm mopping the bathroom, I typically lean more towards my Swiffer, because these are like disposable, and I don't like to, mop my kitchen and then go to the bathroom, unless I'm done mopping the kitchen and then I want to go to the bathroom and then I wash it afterwards. So when I'm cleaning the bathrooms, I mainly use my Swiffer for that, but we're just going to mop these floors. Back to the laundry room, time for a second load. So I'm going to empty the washing machine, and I'm going to now wash my colored clothes. And it's nothing special that I do with washing my colored clothes. Just gonna dump those in there, put my laundry detergent in there, and just turn it on. I do like to add these Game fabric scented sheets to the clothes in the dryer when I put them in the dryer, just to give it some extra scent, and just make sure everything is smelling good. And you want to make sure you're emptying out your lint disposal. What do you call that thing? Make sure you're emptying out the lint. So now moving on to Skylar's room. Skylar's room is it's really not a mess at all. I'm just straightening up her bed because I think she had took a nap in there, and yeah, I just straighten everything up. After that, I'm going to move on to her bathroom. Now, I was in her bathroom previously doing my hair, so I just left a mess. So we are just going to clean this mess up. Before I vacuum, I like to put down this powder, and this is the Clean Linen fragrance, and I really love this. And I also like to spray air freshener after cleaning. I love the limoncello, y'all. This is my absolute fave. I have the plug-ins for the wall and candles, and then I like this one as well. They're both from Bath and Body Works. So now we're just going to vacuum the floor, and I'm also going to vacuum the rest of the house. But this is basically the end of the video. This is how I do like a mini cleanup. Nothing too in depth, like I really didn't have to clean up a lot, but this is basically what I do when I need to straighten up a little bit. But if you guys like these videos and you want to see more clean with me videos, organized, declutter with me videos, just let me know down below and I'll definitely do that for you guys. But thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell. See you guys later.